Working on Android 15-based UI 7.0, Samsung will bring fresh features, design improvements, and lots of additional changes. There are 52 Galaxy tablets and smartphones overall that qualify for this new OS. The business has been testing it on numerous of these devices lately. Samsung has started testing Android 15-based UI 7.0 on another device, the Galaxy A55. As stated in the screenshot, fresh test firmware for the European Galaxy A55 model number, SMA556B, has been found on Samsung servers. The firmware version is A556BXXU4BXH2. Most importantly, the fourth to last letter in this build number is B, unlike the A in the present certified firmware, A556BX4AX3. This update suggests that the most recent test firmware for the smartphone has notable updates, including either a new version of Android, a new version of One UI, or both. This lets us conclude that the Galaxy A55 software is Android 15 based with UI 7.0. A post in ICE Universe suggests that, should you be waiting for the One UI 7.0 beta upgrade on your Galaxy phone, you will have to be somewhat more patient. Plans for the introduction of UI 7.0 beta are not in place yet for any time soon. The source omitted any particular dates, hence we are not sure if this indicates a delay further from what was mentioned last week or if it is still approaching shortly. Last week, you probably recall, there was information speculating on the release of UI 7.0 beta within the third week of August. Samsung might postpone the One UI 7.0 release to give rolling out the One UI 6.1.1 top priority more devices top importance. Our sources state that at the Unpacked event in July, UI 6.1.1 was debuted alongside Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Rumors have it featured significant UI redesign, fresh animations, and maybe enlarged Galaxy artificial intelligence capabilities. UI 7.0 beta will only be accessible for a few markets and for a small range of devices when it comes. Should all go according, the finished product might be unveiled by year's end. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.